Okay, today we're gonna be doing these cam covers. I've already put these AN10 fittings on, and there used to be the breather coming out here, but it was right on the side of the turbo, so we've blanked that off and smoothed it all. And there was another one here. It was okay where it was, but I want them both to be the same with AN at the back. So yeah, I'm gonna sandblast these. I've already took the baffle out of one of them, like that. So I've already took a baffle out of this, take a baffle out of that one and get them sandblasted. And then I've got some VH something crinkle paint. So yeah, let's blast them first. Okay, so I've blasted and sanded them as smooth as I can get them. There's a lot of like pitting and stuff. I think it's, you know, it's just not a great rocker cover. So yeah, we're gonna spray some primer on it first, and then we will get on with doing the crinkle paint. Not done this before, so let's see how it goes. And I'm gonna be spraying it right here. This floor totally needs painting, so I'm not really worried about overspray. So you can still comment below it and moan about it, but I really don't care. So let's get primer on it. Okay, so what I did here, just sprayed the primer on, let that to dry, and then if you read the instructions on the actual can for this paint, it says that you have to spray it vertical, horizontal, and then diagonal, and wait 10 minutes in between each coat, because it's actually the drying time in between each coat that makes it crinkle and do that effect. So it was a wee bit cold here, so I was using a heat gun in between coats. But yeah, it kind of goes clear when you've sprayed the 3 layers, but if you just leave it for an hour or two, you'll just see it starting to crinkle away. And then I just left it for a couple of days to cure, because it was still soft after even 6 hours, 8 hours. It was still soft to touch. So yeah, it's quite easy. If you feel that it's not crinkled in places, you just apply more paint and leave it to crinkle. Okay, so that's 3 coats on and a layer of primer. So it's quite shiny just now, and it pretty much crinkles up after about an hour. You see it crinkling really good. So yeah, just yeah, we'll leave that for a couple of days, because I'm away for a couple of days. So next time we see this is in 2 days' time. Okay, so that's the cover's been drying for a couple of days. Crinkles came out pretty good, like, you know. And this is Torx AN10 fittings that I've put on here, or columns welded on, you know. And we've also, you know, deleted there's a breather here, and I think there was a breather here somewhere, so he's smoothed them all off, and then I sanded, blasted them, and then put this crinkle paint on. Looks pretty sweet, like. Quite happy with that. So yeah, we'll go and fit it on the car now, and yeah, these breathers will get on. They'll sit something like this, and they'll aim towards where the ECU is. That's where I'm going to put the catch can. So yeah, something like that. So yeah, it'll breathe really well, and I've got a little pipe that will go inside there just to match the breathing. So yeah, let's get them on the car. Or we need to put the baffles. Let's put the baffles inside and then put them on the car.